Established in 2011, Shenzhen Samsoni Technology Company Limited is a leading global manufacturer of consumer electronic products including portable monitor, wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, etc. We have powerful research and development team and full independent intellectual property rights, and established our own good reputation brand, Zibo Lan. After 12 years of growth and innovation, it has developed into a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, design, manufacture, and sales. We have been becoming one of the top priority supplier in the consumer electronics field. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. We accept small orders and mixed orders, according to our customers' requirements. We provide 30 days refund and 1-year warranty after-sales service. All problems and questions will be resolved by our after-sales service team. Our main products include portable monitor, wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, 4K portable monitor, touchscreen portable monitor, Wi-Fi wireless connection monitor, gaming monitor, drawing portable monitor, game consoles accessories, audio and video, smart electronics, etc. Our products have been widely used in various industries such as gaming, entertainment, education, live streaming, medical, etc. We have developed a large number of agents and distributors for our Zibo Lan brand. At the same time, OEM and ODM orders at home and abroad are supported. We believe in win-win business principle and look forward long-term cooperation.